Stinky. Oh, he's hungry. Aw, stinky pants. Yeah, stinky pants. Poor guy. Oh well, that's life. You'll get over it.
Oh, that was a good one. I think it smells like banana.
Does he? Well, I eat a banana every day, so whatever I eat, he might smell like.
How do I do? Sit down and...
Oh, pop him down there.
Thank you so much for bringing me.
Well, thank you for having us.
It's tiny, isn't he?
I can't believe he hasn't slept yet. They're gonna have a fun night, babe. Oh, you smell. Yeah. You're okay. I know what you're watching your baby right now. Your body's going through so many changes. The system's trying to figure it all out. But it's all systems go. Don't you worry. I think Grandma's a little obsessed.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. It's good. Snug as a bug. Snug as a bug. Yeah, sunshine. Yeah.
Oh, he's so cute.